Hey guys, Brian here. I just want to make a quick video for those of you who have System.io and you probably set up your funnel and everything, your email and everything, and you're not capturing emails for some reason. And you go to your contacts and you have no contacts. I've had this issue before, so I can just show you guys the reason why that's happening. So here on System.io, all you have to do is go to your funnels, and as you can see, this is my squeeze page. I just have a squeeze page and a thank you page for now. So what you want to do is you want to go to your actual landing page, your squeeze page where you collect emails. You want to edit the page, right? Once you edit the page, this is my actual ebook that I'm giving away for free. If you guys want to, sign up, learn how to build sales funnels for digital products, you can go ahead and get that. But what you want to do is you want to go to your button, right? And you want to make sure it says submit form. You want to make sure it's submit form. It's not open URL, it's not next step URL, or none of that. You want to make sure it says submit form. And then once you hit submit form, it's going to open this. So like, for example, I go to next step URL, right? So if it was next step URL, the customer or the lead would come in, they would put in their email and click the button, but the actual email is not going to be collected because it's not set up properly. Is on next step URL. You want to go to submit form, and you see how I hit submit form. This next step pops up. Do you want to redirect users after contact registration to the next step? Yes. So you want to leave it like that. So that's really it, guys. That's the only issue. That's the reason why you're probably not collecting emails, is because your button is not set up properly. You just want to make sure that it says submit form, and that's it. And then just leave this as is, and then just save it. And yeah, that's basically it, guys.